This mini projector is a perfect example of how technology has become compact without compromising functionality. Its small, pocketable size is deceptive because once it's powered on, it transforms any wall into a sizable, immersive viewing screen. The design is sleek and minimalistic, making it easy to carry, store, or set up anywhere, whether at home, a friend's house, or even outdoors for a movie night under the stars. Setup couldn't be simpler. It connects to Wi-Fi quickly and pairs seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. There's no steep learning curve, and navigation is smooth, letting anyone stream their favorite content in just a few taps. Screen mirroring is fast and reliable, so videos, presentations, or gaming sessions can be displayed on a large screen without any lag or fuss. Picture quality is impressive for such a small device. HD resolution ensures sharp images and vivid colors, making movies and shows look great even at bigger sizes. The brightness is sufficient for darker rooms, while contrast and clarity are better than expected in this class of projector. It can fill a living room wall, turning ordinary spaces into a cinematic environment. Sound is also notable for a projector of this size. The built-in speaker provides clear audio for small rooms, and if you want a richer sound experience, external speakers can be connected through the audio output. This versatility allows the projector to serve multiple purposes: streaming entertainment, gaming, or even sharing slideshows or presentations professionally. Portability is a huge advantage. It's lightweight and easy to move, so you can set it up in any room or take it with you when traveling. The fan is quiet, and the device doesn't overheat, even during extended use, which keeps the experience smooth and uninterrupted. The mini projector supports multiple inputs, including HDMI, USB, and micro SD cards, in addition to wireless screen mirroring. This means you can connect it to a wide range of devices and enjoy movies, gaming, and presentations without limitations. The combination of smart features, compact size, and flexible connectivity makes it a versatile gadget suitable for almost any scenario. Power consumption is low, making it energy efficient, and long sessions are possible without worrying about excessive heat or noise. It's ideal for casual movie nights, impromptu gaming sessions, or even professional presentations in small spaces. Overall, this mini projector offers a remarkable combination of portability, performance, and usability. It proves that a device this small can deliver an engaging cinematic experience. Whether streaming HD content, gaming, or presenting slides, it's a compact solution that fits modern lifestyles and small spaces perfectly. For anyone looking to enjoy big screen entertainment without investing in bulky, expensive equipment, this projector is an excellent choice. If you want to grab one for yourself, the direct link is provided in the description. It's affordable, portable, and powerful, turning any wall into a vibrant, immersive home theater experience.